Hey everybody, it's Bill Flagg coming to you from the Shady Rest Country Club in Scotch Plains, an historic venue and a great piece of history here in Scotch Plains. We're celebrating Juneteenth and look forward to sharing some more with you.
Be sure that your brother is upside down.
I'd like to thank Social Justice Matters and its volunteers for organizing this celebration, our 8th celebration, and for setting the theme for this year as Harambee, which means all pull together.
Scotch Plains and Fanwood are one community. And while the mayor spoke so eloquently about what Scotch Plains does, Fanwood does many of the same things. We strive to be a stigma-free community. We strive to make sure that everyone feels welcome. And when we see an injustice, we want to be right there.
Congressman Tom Kean even stopped by before the ceremony, and it was a great day with a lot of vendors, some good food. It's good to celebrate Juneteenth.
Bill Flagg is a lifelong resident of Scotch Plains, someone that loves this town and gives back. He and his whole family give back to this town year after year in many, many different ways. It's all about individuals making their community better, and at Scotch Plains and Fanwood, we're really lucky to have so many individuals that give back and make our communities such a great place to live.